But unfortunately, most of the money, most of the assistance to Afghanistan have been spent to the military operations in Afghanistan, to the military bases, to the military equipment, to the military forces. So it could have been some other opportunity, it could have been some other programs, some other plans, not to spend all this money for the military, not to spend all this money for these operations. And the plan of the international NGO, I think, have not been as well very much comprehensive, because they could have spent a lot of money for the development aid, especially for the experts who should have prepared comprehensive strategic national plans for Afghanistan. They had very comprehensive plans for the military forces and operations. They have been everywhere, but development-wise, they have not been in all the places. And they had handed over some of the development aid activities or programs to the military, like for example these PRTs. PRT was a military base that they wanted to provide people with civil development, which was not actually giving a good impression to the Afghan people. The Afghans who were really wanted to get rid of the guns, the military, and these things. But again, the PRT with guns and convoys, they went to the villages and wanted to build a school or wanted to build a building for an association or something.
What happened to these buildings?
You know, since some of these have been made or built with no plans, still they're vacant. You know, or at least the people claim that, for example, we need a school or a building here, but these PRTs or the militaries, they did not consider that who wants to fund it, what will happen to this building, and how is the sustainability of this activity. They only built the building, and in very few cases they funded it for some months, 4 months, 6 months, and then short term it was finished and had no sustainability, unfortunately.